Hi, I'm Karen, an instructor here at the Aromahead Institute. Thank you for watching our Aromahead YouTube channel. This blend is called Hemp and Roots Grounding Massage Oil. As you massage this blend into tight areas, let thoughts drift away as you relax your neck, your shoulders, your arms, and every part of your body. Intentionally encourage yourself or your client to take this time to completely center and relax. To blend this recipe, make your blend into a 1 ounce or a 30 ml glass bottle. I suggest that you use an amber or a cobalt blue and keep this blend in the refrigerator. So to start our blend, I added 1 ounce of hemp seed oil into a graduated cylinder. I used a clear glass so that you could see the beautiful green color of the hemp seed oil. Hemp oil is cold pressed from the seeds of the Cannabis sativa plant. It doesn't have any of the mind-altering chemical components and is a very grounding oil for this blend. The herbaceous flowering plant has many uses. The oil pressed from the seeds have been used for cooking and skincare for hundreds of years. This oil is rich in essential fatty acids and contains a 3-to-1 proportion of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids, making it a really great carrier when you're trying to support your skin or your hair. Next, we're going to add 5 drops of spikenard essential oil. It's a little bit of a thicker oil, so it'll take just a little bit to get these out. 5 drops of spikenard. Spikenard oil is CITES protected so that it isn't over-harvested, and this one comes from up high in the Himalayan mountains of Nepal. Spikenard is calming for the heart, stabilizing for the mind, and settling for emotions. It's known for its profoundly relaxing properties, and this is a great oil for an evening, nighttime blend, and it's related to valerian. It has a very strong, sweet, earthy, woodsy, slightly spicy aroma. Our next oil is 4 drops of gandhi root. The aroma is deep, earthy, and rooty, reminiscent of a wood smoke, and it comes from India. Gandhi root is unusual in that it's distilled from a root, but it has the relaxing properties of the component linalool, which is also found in lavender oil. Gandhi root helps the nervous system to relax. This oil is great for blends boosting the immune system. It's very comforting when pain and inflammation are present. Our next oil is 3 drops of ginger. Ginger is so uplifting, it's so grounding, and it's so beautiful. So 3 drops of ginger. Notice how all 3 of these oils, we have spikenard, gandhi root, and ginger, are all from the roots. The ginger oil is distilled from a fresh ginger, giving it a true ginger aroma that is spicy and fresh. Ginger has been used for decades in teas to help relax our digestive systems. It also is invaluable for relaxing sore, tight muscles and joints, and we use it in cold and flu blends as well. Now that we have our blend made, I will pour this into our 1 ounce or 30 ml amber bottle. Such a beautiful, beautiful oil. There we go. Set that off to the side. Be sure and cap it. Gently roll it to blend. Label it, put the date on it, the name of your blend, and store it in the refrigerator. Hemp and Roots Grounding Massage Oil is one to keep handy to release tight, painful muscles and joints. And it helps us to come back into a really healthy perspective, centered and grounded when life brings us surprises or challenges. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe right down below, and we'll see you next time.